Today, we're diving into the Anker 333 USB-C to USB-C cable and the Anker 727 charging station. These products promise high-speed charging and robust durability, making them essential for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Anker 333 cables boast a sturdy nylon exterior and a 12,000 bin lifespan, ensuring longevity and reliability. With support for up to 100W charging, they're ideal for fast-charging laptops and other devices. Meanwhile, the Anker 727 charging station impresses with its 6-port design, featuring 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 AC outlets. This setup allows simultaneous charging of multiple devices, including smartphones, tablets, and even a MacBook Pro 16-inch, which can reach 50% battery in just 43 minutes. The GaNPrime technology ensures efficient power delivery without compromising on size or heat management. Overall, these products from Anker deliver on their promise of speed, durability, and versatility, making them a solid investment for anyone looking to streamline their charging setup at home or in the office.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.